Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Fafda is one of the famous Gujarati snack recipe which is made using besan or gram flour. Usually fafda is deep fried, but we'll be making healthy fafdas using my air fryer. So let's see how to make it. As always, please do like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family and subscribe to Healthy Kadai. Hit the bell icon to get regular updates of a new recipe. Firstly, in a large mixing bowl, we'll take 2 cups of besan or gram flour. Into this, we'll add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, little red chili powder, ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda, and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Firstly, we'll mix it well. Add water, and we need to knead our dough. We have to knead a nice soft and smooth dough. Continue to work on the dough for at least 5 minutes till it becomes absolutely soft and smooth. And my dough is ready. The dough should neither be too hard nor too soft. This is just a perfect dough. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Coat it nicely. And then we'll cover it with a moist cloth. Then we'll rest our dough at least for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been half an hour. Now we'll knead the dough for 1 more minute. And we'll just take small balls of this dough. We'll take small ball like this and we'll roll it in a cylindrical form. We'll place it on a wooden board. Apply little oil on your hands. Stick one side of it. And then we'll gently press it in the forward direction like this. Then with the help of a palette knife, we can scrape it out gently. This is my first fafda ready. Likewise, we'll make all other fafda. I've prepared few pieces of fafdas here. Usually fafdas are deep fried, but to make it more healthy, we'll be air frying these. So I'll apply little oil on top of all the fafdas so that we get nice shine on it. Just brush little oil. I've already preheated my air fryer, into which we'll place all our fafdas. Here goes all my fafdas into air fryer. And then we'll air fry our fafdas at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll check again. If we need more crispness, then we'll continue to air fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and let's check out our fafdas. Here is my first batch of fafda ready. Similarly, we'll air fry all other fafdas. This is crispy enough and really very tasty. You can serve this crispy tea time snack with green chutney. Isn't it a really healthy way to prepare this traditional Gujarati snack? Do try it out. If you want to see more such interesting air fryer recipes, then check out the links which are flashing on the screen here. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.